Jai Radha Rani ki jai. Jabot Dham ki jai. So this is Jabot Dham, darshan of Radha and Krishna here. This is Baba Pujari. This is father-in-law house of Srimati Radharani. Radharani is, this is Ayan Ghosh, Radharani husband. And here is Jotila Kutila. Jotila, the mother-in-law, and Kutila, the sister-in-law of Srimati Radharani. This is very old tree here. Pilu tree. This is called Pilu, very favorite fruit tree of Srimati Radharani.
Oh, fruit. Have fruit?
Yeah, fruit. Pilu. Fruits comes in June, July.
Nice.
Hare Krishna. So it's darshan of all Brajamandal from here. This is Jabot Dham, and there is 33 kundos near around the Jabot, and you can see the Barshana, Nandagaon from here. Nandagaon from here is 4 kilometers this direction, and this direction is Kokilabon. Shanidev temple is there, Kokilabon is there. So many pastimes, and all pastimes Vishnu Chakravarti path compiled in Chaitanya Chamatkar Chandrika. Wonderful pastimes are there. Chamatkar pastimes. So Radharani from here used to go to Nandagaon every day. It is 4 kilometers from here. Radharani used to go there for cooking for Krishna.
Yes.
Because Radharani has got boon from Durvasa Muni that whoever will eat cooked by Radharani,
Yes.
he will get unlimited strength. He will never get old. He will get all power to kill all demons. So Krishna, everyone loved Krishna in Braja because Krishna from the childhood he killed many demons like Putana, Tinavarto, Agasur, Bokasur, many demons Krishna killed. So in Braja, all the Brajavasis, Nanda, Upananda, Sunanda, all Braja, Gopos, they have a meeting. And the meeting, the resolution of the meeting is that Radharani has got boon, she has got boon, so she has to cook for Krishna. Because Krishna is saving us from demons. So Krishna needs a lot of strength. And Radharani has got the boon. So Radharani should cook for Krishna. So that is the conclusion of Braja meeting. So Radharani used to go every day from here cooking. One day what happened? Everyone is just telling blah 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 from here and there that oh your daughter-in-law, people telling to Jotila Kutila. Jotila is the mother-in-law of Radharani. So Jotila is hearing that your daughter-in-law is going for cooking for others. Is not good. Your culture, your prestige will go down. So you should stop. Somehow or other you should stop going Radharani for cooking. And everyone says so many things that your Radharani, your daughter-in-law, is talking with some other boys, going to Radharani Krishna to meet in the jungle, in the Kunjo. Is not good, no? So one day what happened, after hearing so many from others, Jotila, Kutila, they got the conclusion that we from tomorrow we will not allow our Bahu, our daughter-in-law should not go for cooking for others. So Jotila and Kutila are stopping Radharani from the door with the big bamboo that Radharani should not go out. And all the people coming and nobody is allowed to come inside and nobody is allowed to go outside. So Jotila Kutila very strongly opposing. And what happened? After few days, like 2 days, 3 days, and Radharani in separation of Krishna, and Radharani got a very high fever. Krishna Viraha disease, in high fever, and Radharani's body is a melted gold, is turning into black because of the Viraha, Krishna. And all the Shakis, they make a plan that Radharani is bitten by the snake. A snake. And Radharani's body is becoming black and has got high fever, like shivering. So they all told, now we need uh, a person who is expert in calling the snake and take out the poison. It's called Shapuriya. In India, it's called Shapuriya. So they are looking for, and Radharani told, if any man touching or coming to my room, then I will suicide. So no man cannot come to Radharani. So only girl can come, only girl can touch, only woman can touch to Radharani. So they are looking for the woman snake charmer. So somehow or other, this news went to Krishna, and Krishna took the form of the a young snake charmer. And Krishna, all the Shokis like Jotila, Lalita, Vishaka, Chandala, Indulekha, all they make a plan, and they went to Krishna, and Krishna took the form of a snake charmer, young snake charmer. And Krishna came and told Jotila, Kutila, see, I am from Mathura, and I am very expert in calling the snake and take out the poison from your daughter-in-law's body. Okay, you come. Where are you from? That they gave the introduction that I am your relative, far relative, is in live in Mathura. Your daughters, your sisters, daughters, friend, like Krishna giving the introduction. Your sister live in Mathura and your sister's daughter's friend. So it's long. So Krishna gave introduction. Krishna was welcomed by Jotila Kutila, and then Krishna went inside the house, inside the room of Radharani. And Krishna playing the flute, calling the snake. Krishna is very expert in playing all these flute. And Krishna playing the flute, and there is no snake inside the room, but suddenly a snake came, and a snake is making sound. That sound actually Krishna making. Krishna making the sound of a snake. Krishna is talking with the snake. In the voice of the woman, Krishna is telling the snake, "Oh snake, why you bite Srimati Radharani? Why you have beaten Srimati Radharani? You know she has got bone, and she is not able to go for cooking, and she is now you because of your bite, no." And a snake is telling, Krishna in the form of a snake is replying that, see, Durvasa Muni gave the boon to Srimati Radharani to go for cooking, and the Jotila Kutila they are stopping Radharani for going to cook. So Durvasa is the incarnation of Lord Shiva. So I came from Badrinath, Kedarnath, where Lord Shiva lives. Lord Shiva sent me. Lord Shiva sent me to bite to Jotila Kutila, because they are stopping Srimati Radharani going for cooking. But by mistake, I have beaten Srimati Radharani. Then Jotila Kutila is hearing from outside. And then Jotila Kutila is in the fear. And then Krishna is telling, "Oh, so you please take out the poison of Radharani. Okay, I can take out the poison of Srimati Radharani, but I will bite the Jotila Kutila." "Oh no, if they allow Radharani to go for cooking, then you don't bite." So the snake is telling, yes. So I will take out the poison in the condition if they allow Srimati Radharani for going for cooking to Nandagaon. Then Krishna came out from the door, opened the door and came and asking Jotila Kutila, "So what do you think? Should the snake condition, you should accept the condition or not?" Jotila, yeah, take out the poison of our Radharani, and we will allow Radharani for going for cooking. So this after that, Krishna, Radharani Krishna touched Radharani and immediately Radharani came out the consciousness. Radharani could realize this is my Prabhu came. So all the separation for 2-3 days separation, and because of separation, Radharani was in the disease condition. So Krishna Viraho is called Krishna Viraho snake bite Srimati Radharani. And when Krishna came, all the Viraho, all the separation is gone, and Radharani came to consciousness, and all the Shokis, they came to Jotila Kutila. See, it is the evening time. So this woman came from Mathura. So she should stay tonight here with Radharani. So Radharani is that the snake charmer is Krishna himself. So they all night here having nice pastimes with the Shokis inside the room of Srimati Radharani. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.